Hi everyone, I am Mansi from IGDTOW. For working on the MS Teams clone, I adopted the Agile methodology. I divided my 4 weeks into 4 sprints and I had a meeting with my mentors during starting of each sprint. In the first week, I had my design which I followed for the next 3 weeks. I also gave priority to certain parts of the product and followed it. For the second and third week, I worked on the build and also released concurrent versions of my build. Fourth week was the adapt challenge and I had already completed it. So I got more time to optimize my product. So that's how I work with Agile. So now let's have a demo for the Microsoft Teams clone that I have built. So first, as you can see here, we have two options. Either we can sign in with Microsoft or we can sign in with email password. For now, I would be signing in with my email password. As you can see here, now we are on the calendar page. On the calendar page, we can schedule some meeting, update the meetings and delete the meetings. So let's create a meeting now. I will save the event. And here you go. The event is there and it is saved and it will be visible on the calendar of the attendees too. So now we can join the meeting. As you can see now, we are in the video conference room. This group video call can accommodate more than 15 participants. So as you can see, the nameplate of each participant is here and we can see if they have muted or unmuted themselves. Now, Ria has shared her screen and I can pin her screen and see what she is sharing. I can also unpin her screen. With this video conference, we also have an integrated Blackboard. So as you can see here, we can draw collaboratively here. For example, I would be drawing the circles and some of my other friends would be filling in the numbers in a different color. After you are done, you can save the image by clicking on the save board and a PNG file of the board will be saved on your system. Also, you can use clear all functionality to clear the whole board and you can share the board with your friends also. Now let's move on to the GitHub page and see what it does. So here we are on the GitHub page. Now let's search for a user. I will search for myself. As you can see here, all the repositories that I have are visible here. I will open a repository named Femista. And as you can see, I can open all the files and see what is there inside each file. After that, I will open the app.js file. And here we go. The whole file is here. After that, let's go to the commits. As you can see, all the commits are here and we can see who made these commits and how much time ago. Moving on to the issues tab. Here, we can see all the issues that are there in the repository. We can open an issue. We can see what is the issue. We can also comment on the issue. So let's comment on this issue. The comment is here and we can see it now. Similarly, we can create an issue if we want to. So that was all about the GitHub page and the video. Now I will leave the meeting. The next thing is the chat page and it is the same that was in the video call. Here, what you can do is you can continue with your previous video calls chats. So the room is actually created when the event is created. So you can chat before the event starts, you can chat during the event, and also you can chat after the event. There is one more feature in the chat that I wanted to show you, and that is create a chat option. Here, you can select the participants that you want in the chat. You can add them, and after adding those participants, you can create a new chat. As you can see here, a new group is created, and now you can chat with your friends here. So this was it for the chat page. Moving on, let's go to the GitHub page. The GitHub page is the same that we witnessed in the video room. And at last, but definitely not the least, I have integrated a voice assistant into my application. So we can use it to schedule meetings, update them, and delete them. Also, we can navigate in our application through the voice assistant. So let's see how it works. Schedule an appointment on 16th July at 5 p.m.
What should I put as the title of the meeting?
Mock interview.
Okay, adding to your schedule. Mock interview on the 16th of July at 5 p.m.
Here we go. The event is scheduled. Similarly, we can update an event and delete an event. So that's it for the application. I hope you like it.